Family.
Hi, Professor. Good morning. My name is Dilip Kumar, and my teammate is Rishka Dasari. Uh, we implement the social networking system database. Uh, the purpose of our project uh, by using social media networking to connect the people, how to interact with others. Like that, we are implement the purpose of our project to involve the internet-based social media platform to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, or customers. It enables people to develop and maintain personal and business relationship using technology, which can be beneficial for both individuals and marketers. Like individuals, they can post their photos, like their workouts or their fashion to connect the people by using social media. For marketers, they're gonna promote their business, their offers, like that. They can increase their business too. Social media network is effective tool for increasing brand recognition, promotions, like company voice, content, brand loyalty. By building up the following social media, business can interact with the new, recent, and long-time customers and improve conversion rates. Yeah. Operational scenarios. The behavior and expression of society have been significantly impacted by the emergence. Uh, like these are like networking professionally, marketing, advertisement, and educational and learning. Coming to the networking professionally, social networking platforms can also be used for networking. Users can post information about their professional interest and the other things, interact with co-workers and join industry groups. Marketing and advertisement. Social networking platforms give business the chance to connect with the potential clients to increase brand recognition. They can set up company profits, publish marketing materials, and interact with followers. Social networking platforms can make it easy for groups to from around common interest. Uh, for example, like if anybody wants to do the road trips, they can post in the social media. Whoever has the same like hobbies, they can also join with their groups. Like this, the social media gonna help to the public. Coming to the educational learning, social networking platforms can be utilized in the classroom to facilitate online learning communities, link students and teachers, and share educational resources. Nowadays, in like lockdown days, by using social media, the every educational institute going by using the online classes like that. In YouTube also, we have so many educational things to learn. Coming to the tables, in our project, we create the location table, user type, user profile table, user post, uh, post comments, user following types, followers, user messages, group members, group information. Like these are the tables we created, and we link to the one-to-one. How we implement the tables.
I am going to show how the physically the tables in the database. We have created the database called social networking system. In that we have created the following tables like location table, user type table, user profile table, user post table, and each of these tables have the primary key, which is used uniquely identified, and one table is connected with the other table using the foreign key. For example, the user profile table. In user profile table, it is used to store all the basic information of the user, like his last name, first name, date of birth, email, password, mobile number. And this table, to share his location, we can use the location table, and these two tables are linked using the foreign key. And the user type table, and the user type table is like, some people wants to be public and some people wants to be private. For that, we have created the user type table. And for the post of the user, we have created the user post table. To link these two tables, we by using the profile ID, we linked these two tables. It also has the content of the post table, date posted, post location ID, the post like table to track the likes of the post. We have created the likes table to track the comments of the particular post. We have created the comments table, and these are all linked by post ID. And each user has so many followers. For that, we have created the following table. In followers are of two types, like close friends and not usual followers. For that, we have created a following table to retrieve, if I am the user, and if you want to know all the followers of mine, we have created the user followers table, and those are linked by using the user ID and follower ID. These are for foreign keys to the user ID of the user profile table. And we have created the message table. For the group information, we have created the group table. Um, these are the basic structure, basic schema of the table. And the queries, we have created some of the basic queries, like to retrieve all the comments of the particular post, the posts that are created by a particular user. I will execute and show some of these queries. See, select this 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 query will execute, and it will it will retrieve all the comments of particular user. See, post ID, post title, content, the comments of that particular post. It will this query will retrieve all the posts created by a particular user. We have created some of the stored procedures also. Store procedure is like a function, which is which when we execute, it will automatically run. We have created some user defined functions. This function will check the dates, compare the dates. We altered the table by using the alter. These are some of the things that we have created. And coming to the schema of the database, we have created the ER diagram, that the square represents the table and the oval shape represents the attribute, and the orange color attribute represents the primary key, and the yellow color is the normal key. For example, when we take the location table, location has location ID, city name, state name, country name, and zip code. Take the user profile. Both user and location are one-to-one related. The relationship is shown here, and resides is the relationship. Like this, all the tables are connected. This is the ER diagram of our schema.
Individual. Yeah,
In
these are
the
the user profile and user messages, group members, user followers. Uh, Coming to the user profile, we can see find the profile ID, last name, first name, username, date of birth, email, like that. When we can find out the all the details of the user to retrieve the user profile table. Okay, the other one is the relation things. relationships. In our project, there are 12 entities we are created. Those are the user profile, location user, messages, posts, likes, comments, group information, group messages. By using the concept of relationship, we can build relationship between multiple entities. By the concept, we can fetch the data easily from multiple tables by using foreign key concept. In our project, there are several relationships in the total, and they are built between the following tables using the foreign keys and by these the user profile, user type, like that. The other one is going to be
So these are referential integrities. So no action is like when two tables are related by a foreign key, when we update the values in one table, it will show an error message that we shouldn't those tables are foreign key related and we cannot update them. The no action is default one. Cascade one, the cascade when we update cells in one table which is foreign key related with the other table, then it will automatically update the contents in the other table. Set null specifies that when we want to update the things which are foreign key related in one table, the values in other table are gonna set to null. Set default means if we update some values in one table, then the default values are updated in the other table. These are the referential integrities. And in these screenshots, we are showing how we are referentially integrated. Here, the foreign key, for example, we take the foreign key of the following table. Each user has so many followers, and those two are foreign key rated using the foreign key ID. When we come to the comments table, each post has different comments, and post table and comments table are linked by using the post ID. Coming to the group message table, group members and group messages are linked by using the member ID. Here we have the post table, post and likes table. Each post has different likes, and those are linked by using the post ID. And this is our basic representation of our social media project. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you.